Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize your Steam profile with artwork in 2025. We'll cover step-by-step how to set up your profile so you can showcase custom artwork and make your profile stand out. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure your Steam profile is at least level 10, because that's when you unlock the ability to add a showcase. One of the easiest ways to level up is through the Steam Community Badge. Go to your username, click Badges, then scroll to the Steam Community Badge and complete as many tasks as you can. Another quick method is buying seasonal badge levels in the Steam Point shop. That can get you to level 10 much faster. Once you're level 10, let's set up the showcase. Go to the Steam Point shop, scroll down to Showcases, and purchase the artwork showcase if you don't already have it. This gives you a slot on your profile to display custom artwork. If you want that clean, transparent look behind your artwork, you can grab a special profile from the Point shop. For example, the Dying Light 2 profile is popular and costs 10,000 Steam points. Go to Store Point shop, then Game Profiles, and then choose a special profile and apply it from your profile editor. Next, we need artwork. My favorite site to look for: Steam Artwork is DeviantArt. The easiest way is to Google free Steam artwork DeviantArt. You'll find tons of options, both free and paid. When you pick one, download the artwork file and also make sure you grab the matching profile background if it's available. Choose any free artwork GIF from DeviantArt. Make sure to copy-paste it in your desktop or wherever you want. Once you've downloaded the artwork, extract the .zip file if needed. Then go to the official Steam Artwork upload page. I'll leave the link in the description. Give your artwork a short title. I usually just use a period so nothing shows or dot. Click Choose File, select the artwork you downloaded and upload it. And now right-click anywhere in the page and then choose Inspect. Go to Console section and copy-paste this code, then hit Enter. Don't forget to tick, I certify that I created this artwork. After uploading, go back to Steam, click your username, then Edit Profile. Under Profile Background, select the background that matches your artwork. Under Featured Showcase, pick Artwork Showcase. Click the blue pencil and choose the artwork you uploaded. If it looks like a black bar, don't worry. Click it and your artwork will display correctly. Now let's buy any cool black background so it does match with the artwork. There are a lot of them, you can choose anything you like. Finally, click your profile picture and view profile. You should now see your new background and artwork showcase. If the artwork is animated and doesn't look right, just hit the little refresh button in the top left of the showcase to fix the timing. And that's it! You've successfully customized your Steam profile with artwork. In the next videos, I'll cover achievement showcases and workshop showcases to take your profile even further. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss those guides. Thanks for watching.